Think about it. You're new in a company. Your mind is sharp, you work smart, and you think the more you impress your boss, the faster you'll succeed. But the truth is, this very quality can destroy you. Because the first rule of the world of power says, never outshine the master, never surpass your superior. Once upon a time in France, there was the most powerful king, Louis XIV. In his court, there was a man named Nicolas Fouquet. He was extremely smart and impressed everyone. He even threw such a magnificent party in honor of the king that people started saying, if Fouquet wanted, he could become king himself. But what happened next? Fouquet was arrested. He spent the rest of his life rotting in prison. Why? Because he had unknowingly overshadowed his master, the king. Now think about it. The same happens in your office, school, or friendships. If you start shining more than someone, they will see you as a threat. Whether it's your boss, teacher, or a friend, the moment their ego is hurt, your growth will stop. So what should you do? 1. Always make your master look superior. Whenever you're around them, make them feel they are better than you. 2. Control your shine, show your skills, but only as much as they can digest. 3. Impress indirectly. Maintain excellence in your work, but smartly give credit in their name. This way, you become an asset, not a threat. And remember, if you let them shine, they will always protect you. Because in the real world, perception matters more than talent. If people see you as a threat, your hard work will turn into a weapon against you. This is the first rule of power. Never outshine the master. Understand this law, or you might end up lost in history like Fouquet. But this is just the beginning. In the Book of Power, there are 47 more rules that can change your life. And the next law is, never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. It sounds simple, but it will shake you.